How to add loan to Tesco Bank app. Tesco Bank is the financial services arm of Tesco, originally offering savings, loans, and credit cards, but in November 2024 most of its banking operations were transferred to Barclays, which now manages them under the Tesco brand through a partnership. First, download Tesco Bank app from Google Play Store or App Store. Then log into your account with username and password. Then click on Loan. Then select what will you use the loan for. Select how much do you want. Then choose the time period.
Click on Apply.
Then select Answer for this question. Are you applying with anyone else? Then click on Next. Confirm this information and click on Next. Choose title and gender. Enter date of birth, your address, your mobile number and email address, and review the information and click Correct. After that, they will contact you through your email or mobile number. Thanks for watching.